Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. Today we'll be discussing about the University of Western Australia Global Excellence Scholarship for session 2026 for the pursuing undergraduate, masters and PhD international students. We'll show the full process for this. How do you apply for this Australia scholarship? How will you get the $48,000 of grant over the years, and how is the process? How do you apply? We'll show the full process. Before that, let me remind to subscribe our YouTube channel Full Scholarships. If you are here for the first time, please do subscribe. Already subscribed, please like this video and share this video with your family and friends so that they can apply as well. Also, you can follow us on Instagram page, and all the scholarships are posted there, you can see. And you can ask our team through the message the link for the scholarship they will send you. Also, you can check stories, and the link for this Western Australia Global Scholarship is given in the video description below, and you can check out videos description, link is given there, or you can directly check out our section of the YouTube, link is also given there, and you can directly visit our website fullscholarships.net or cashmelook.com, and once you click on them, it will take you to our website here, and you can read about this particular opportunity. So here are some brief details. Host country is Australia. Host university is the University of Western Australia. Degree level is bachelor's, master's and PhD. And the financial benefit is tuition fee discount up to the Australian dollars 48,000. Then deadline, it's not specified. It depends on course. So up to the $48,000 over the 4 years for undergraduate, and similarly for postgraduate up to 24,000 of Australian dollars. Who eligible? Who is eligible for this program to apply? You must be an international student. And then how do you apply? There is if you are applying as a regular student, if you have already applied, if you have received offer, they will mention the scholarship in the offer, you will be automatically awarded. And also you have to only apply for a course. So how do you apply? Simply scroll down, you can click on this link to start application. Once you click on that, you can see Global Excellence Scholarship and the amount of the scholarship. Process for undergraduate and postgraduate is mentioned. Internationally qualification conversion eligibility is mentioned here. So you can see all the details. At the end, you can see apply now button. Click on this apply now button. Once you click on that, you can see for the first time users, you have to create an account, enter your first name, last name and email, then simply sign up. So I'll show you the link that you will receive once you sign up here. You can see this type of, you have to click on confirm. Once you confirm, you can use the same username and password, simply log in. So I have my username and password. I log in with the same details, and you can see the dashboard. So automatically you can see new application, or you can continue application. If you click on apply now, it will add your application. You have to click on continue application. So apply for scholarships, and you can see first is the personal details. So you have to complete citizenship type international student, then click on save citizenship, then personal details, first name, last name, phone number and the year of birth. So you have to mention all the details here. And then click on save personal details. After that, address details, you have to check all address details here. Click on continue. Then qualifications, your secondary education, you have to mention where did you complete secondary education outside of Australia. Select country where you have completed. So one by one you have to mention all the details here. Then select the school. You can mention that school name and the year. Then you have to attach the graduation certificate. You can save secondary education, then post secondary education, add that and click on continue. After that, eligibility, select your application round, select this. Now, first question, are you facing financial hardships? Do you have statement of financial hardship? Click on yes. Next, what level of study will you be undertaking? So, will you be going for undergraduate? You can go for masters as well. What stage are you up to in your degree? Starting first, click on next, click on continue. So, after this is the eligibility. So, if you can see, as of now we have not been admitted to the university, so we won't be directly going for the scholarship, so we can skip this part as of now, because you have to first apply for admission and then you have to apply for this scholarship. So we can start new application here, and in that you have to mention that I do not have any uh, we have admission offer letter, so you can mention that. So let's so we'll click on continue. Please complete the secondary, something is missing. So click on continue. So post secondary, so you have to select the +2 where you have completed your higher secondary part. You can mention that award level. So you can mention that. Year, final grade, and you can click on continue. After that, click on continue. We'll click on save for later, yes. When we'll review application, then we'll check other details. Likewise, click on continue. I'll show you the previous one here. Secondary school, there is one something missing. Let me just complete this one again. And year, so you have to save it. Now we can click on continue. Eligibility, select a round. Financial hardships, yes, click on next. We'll be going for undergraduate, click on next. What stage? So you can see, so let's try this one. Click on next, click on continue. So you have to edit and submit suitable option for this. Earlier that you can see, again we have to change the eligibility. So Let's click on this. Next, click on continue. So if you already received an offer, you are eligible for this scholarship. I'll be changing this one. And in your case, if you are a fresher, you have to submit application. So as of now, we are not eligible for this round of scholarship because we have not been accepted, and try selecting other round. So as of now, there is just one round application. So we can try to change it here from UG to PG. So we'll be going for any masters. Let's try. So you can see now scholarship offering. Are you in receipt of another scholarship? No, we are not. Next, provide a CV and research proposal. Click on next. Have you been found eligible for a scholarship which requires statement of to be submitted? Select scholarship you are eligible for below and upload appropriate statement. Please refer to the scholarship conditions for further information on the statement which is required. So we'll mention none of these. Click on next. Click continue. So they are automatically choose one of the scholarships. So you can see now review. You can review the application here. Click confirm. And once you confirm, you can simply submit. You can click on this and click on submit my application. But you should upload documents at each step first, then only submit. And for bachelor's, you have to get the admission first, then you can submit the scholarship application. You can see application submission complete. Congratulations, your application scholarship complete and has been successfully submitted for the assessment. A copy of your application has been sent to your email address. All details are there. So we can go to the profile section. There we have a dashboard. We can track the application. You can see one completed, open submitted applications. You can see, and you can also withdraw them. You can see bachelor's of computer engineering. This is the previous application we have submitted previously. And likewise, you have to submit our course. Here you can see previously we had some applications here, view application. Let me show you that. How do you apply for a bachelor's program? We had previously a demo application. You can see international, and we had applied for the civil engineering program, bachelor's of engineering honors, bachelor's of science, and this was our previous application. You can also download that. So likewise, you have to apply for admission as well as then you can apply for scholarships. This is a simple and unified portal. You have to upload documents as well. So you can see we have uploaded files. So we have also uploaded some files, but we have withdrawn later this application. And I hope you enjoyed the session. If you have doubts in this, please drop comment below the video or directly search fullscholarship.net or cashmlook.com, and keep supporting us, keep subscribing. Please watch this stipendum Hungary Come scholarship video. This is one of the easiest scholarship for international student to study in Europe, Hungary, and this is one of the easiest scholarship to achieve. So try to apply for this particular opportunity as well. So also share this video, like this video. With this, I am signing off for today, hoping you will subscribe and like this video. Keep watching, keep subscribing. Have a nice day ahead.